Okay, so hello everyone. So today I have received this Intel H61 motherboard. Okay, first of all, let me see. We have processor over here, so let me just clean. H620. Okay, this is H55 motherboard. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. So because there is nothing mentioned on this motherboard, okay, we have some sort of number over here, but there is no nothing. Okay, sorry. DH61. Sorry, this is H61. DH61AS. This is the motherboard. So which I have received today, which is in dead condition. If I show you, the multimeter is in buzzer mode. So let me just take my probes. Okay, just let me ground one probe. I'll be grounding over here. Okay, let me ground over here. Okay, and we have this 4-pin connector. So this is our notch, and near notch 2 pins are there that are of 12 volt V in. Okay, so let me check. Okay, I think it is not grounded properly. Let me place like over here, and let's check for shorting. As you can see, we have some sort of low impedance. Before this it was giving short. As you can see, we have short in V in section. So let me check over here. We have correct impedance in this, but we have short in 12 volt line. We don't have short in V in section MOSFET. All the MOSFETs looks great. So next step, what we can do, if you have bench power supply like this. So right now I have set my bench power supply. I just injected voltage and checked. So most of you will think that if I am having problem like this, so when I first received this motherboard, I tested with SMPS, and whenever I was removing this, what we can say, 4-pin power supply connector, so board was powering on, and if I connect this connector, it was not turning on. It means we have issue with this voltage rail. Okay, so one more thing, in this motherboard, that voltage is coming to this section also. So let me just show you. First of all, let me apply some alcohol. Okay, so I have applied alcohol to this pot. If you see, we have a capacitor over here. I think that is the culprit. So let me just try to show you. Just let me turn on my DC supply. As you can see, there is smoke coming out of that capacitor. Okay, the capacitor which is over there. So next step, this capacitor is causing this smoke. So let me try to remove this. I think okay, so it is not coming out. So just let me pause. And okay, so now you can see that I have removed capacitor from this point. Here it was a 12 volt line capacitor which was located on this point, on this. So I have just removed that. Now let's check whether we have same issue or not. So let me just turn on my DC supply, and right now it is not taking any kind of voltage. As you can see, I have set my DC supply to 12 volt. So this was in today's case study, in which we have just removed a short circuit. Okay, so if I see shorting with the help of multimeter, you will observe that shorting has gone. So let me just show you. So we have to check shorting on this point. Okay, it is showing short. As you can see, the shorting has gone. So this was in today's case study, where we were having a capacitor short. Most of the cases you will be having MOSFET shorted and driver IC or VRM IC shorted, but in this case, this is the first time I have got capacitor short in 12 volt VRM section. Otherwise, most of the time we have faulty MOSFETs. Thank you.